Question 48, we're going to project our ball upwards again. So it's going upwards here at 14 meters per second, and this is 3.6 meters above the ground, although that doesn't actually matter for the first point. The first thing we're saying, well, how high does it get? What's the highest point it gets to? And the crucial thing that you have to know for that is that the highest point it gets to, the velocity is equal to 0. So we'll start, u is 14, I'm going to take up as positive again. A, again, you might think it's 9.8, but I just said that up is positive, so A is minus 9.8. T, I don't care about for the first bit, and S is what I'm trying to find. I want to know what's the highest point it gets to. So I've got a v squared equals u squared plus 2as coming in here, haven't I? V squared equals u squared plus 2as. V squared, 0 squared is 0. U squared, 14 squared, 196. And we've got 2 of those is 19.6 s. So that's quite nice. S is going to equal 10. 196 divided by 19.6. So it's ending up going up 10 meters here, and of course then it's going to fly all the way down and land on the ground. So what's the speed of the ball as it hits the ground for part B? So let's go through these again. U is still 14. V, the speed of the ball when it hits the ground, that's what I'm looking for now. A, well, that's still the minus 9.8. T, I don't care about that. I mean, actually, I'm going to figure it out in a minute, but don't care about that one this time. And S. Now, you can go wrong if you put a 3.6 here. It's not 3.6. 3.6 meters is here. We want to go down 3.6 meters. So that needs to be a minus. Let's go with this then. It's another v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So we've got 196. That's 196 plus 2 lots of minus 9.8 and minus 3.6. So tapping all of that in, that's going to give us 16.3. 16.3 meters per second. Get some more space. Yeah, so part C then, we're just going to try and find out what this t value here is. So I think we might as well use an s equals ut plus half a. We could use any one really, now we've got that. But s equals ut plus half at squared would use all of our original data, get a quadratic through there. One of the answers will be negative when it's down here somewhere, which doesn't exist. The other answer, which you get on the calculator there, would be 3.09 seconds. So you get that. I did see someone doing a different formula here and trying to do it the v equals u plus at and using this as the v. And they thought about doing this. And they thought they could do that bit there, and it ends up giving them a different answer. And the reason for that is there's a sign error, that this 16.3 here at that point there is going downwards, so that would need to be minus 16.3 there. And if you then do the minus 16.3, take away the 14, so you get minus 30.3 equals minus 9.8t, and divide, you would then get the same answer.